How to make friends. Meeting new people and making friends can be overwhelming, but with a little effort and willingness to step outside of your comfort zone, you can easily make friends. Start by getting yourself out there and looking for places to socialize, like a local club or volunteer organization. Once you start meeting new people, take some time to get to know them and hang out together. You will also have to put some time and effort into keeping the friendship going. Tips number 1. Make yourself available. If you want to make friends, you first need to put yourself out there somehow in order to meet people. If you just sit alone, friends might come to you, but that's not likely. For example, if you are still in school, sit somewhere with other people. It doesn't have to be a crowded table, but try to choose one with at least 2 other people. Tips number 2. Join an organization or club to meet new people. This is a great way to find other people who have common interests. You don't necessarily need to have a lot of common interests with people in order to make friends with them. In fact, some of the most rewarding friendships are between 2 people who don't have much in common at all. However, if you like a specific topic, try searching for a location where you can meet people who share that interest. Tips number 3. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Volunteering is also a good way for people of all ages to meet others. By working together, you build bonds with people. You may also meet others who have a passion for changing things the way you do. For example, you might donate your time at a local nursing home, hospital, animal shelter, or non-profit organization. Tips number 4. Try connecting with people you already know. Chances are you already know a few people who could potentially become good friends. Consider trying to get to know your co-workers, classmates, or even people in your social media network. For example, if you are a parent, you might reach out to the other parents of your child's classmates. Setting up a play date for the kids can be a good opportunity for you to get to know some new adult friends. Tips number 5. Make eye contact and smile. If you don't present a friendly and inviting appearance, people are less likely to be receptive to your friendship. Look people directly in the eye when they are speaking to you or when you are speaking to them, and offer them a warm, friendly smile. Do not squint, look bored, frown, or look deadpan. Try to avoid closed-off body language, like folding your arms or hanging out alone in a corner. Mirroring another person's body language is a great way to build rapport with them. While you are talking to someone, try to subtly imitate their expressions and gestures. For example, if they smile or lean forward while talking to you, do the same. Tips number 6. Try a variety of conversation starters. Once you find a person you're interested in becoming friends with, you need to initiate a conversation with that person. This will help you connect with them and start forming a friendship. There are a few different approaches you could try. For example, try making a comment about your immediate environment. The weather is a classic. For example, at least it's not raining like last week, right? Next, make a request for help. For example, can you help me carry a few boxes if you have a minute? Or, can you help me decide which one of these is a better gift for my mom? Alternatively, you could offer help. For example, hey, do you need a hand cleaning up? You can also give a compliment such as, that's a nice car, or I love your shoes. Avoid making the compliment too personal, though since that can make people uncomfortable.